Welcome back everyone to another episode of Roofing Rundown Show. I'm your host Dmitry, and today I'm finally breaking the silence why we did not include GAF in our shingle comparison videos. Thank you so much for coming. Alright guys, here's the deal. I'm no longer can ignore all the comments we've been getting. We received over 600 comments and questions on Facebook, on YouTube, Instagram, a few other platforms. And today, finally, I'm just gonna answer to those questions. I have no intent to disparage GAF as a brand or their product. I'm not gonna talk at all about their product. My goal today as a YouTuber, because all eyes are on me, is simply to answer why I cannot review them. So I'm gonna start with a few comments here from our YouTube channel. So first question was coming from Best Shingles by Weight video, and MVP Bills asking, I want to see GAF included. Well, we want them to include it as well. Another video we have here is it's actually have a lot of comments. Best Shingles, Malarkey, Certainty, Atlas, and Owings Corning. Not sure why you didn't include GAF. Question is asking from Jeff. Comment from Jeff Dunbar. All you had to do was buy a bundle from Home Depot and compare them with the rest. Rox Roofing asking, did GAF not submit for testing? And we love duration the best. Big brand, i.e. GAF. I'm installing gold-plated titanium shingles in my home, and I'm pretty sure we have more. Obviously, big brand is GAF, and can you blame them for not playing with the amateur testing? That very popular testing indeed. I'm about to get a new roof. So lots of questions. And guys, I want to agree with all of you that asking those questions. We do always wanted to include GAF. And one thing about GAF, they are the biggest brand, and we here at Roofing Insights, we're going to become the biggest YouTube channel for roofers. And we love what we do. Over 90% of our comments and feedback comes from roofers are extremely positive. Obviously, there's a few people who don't like or don't agree with us. It's totally fine, freedom of speech. We keep bad comments, we keep good comments. A lot of people have been telling us, hey, we don't agree how you've done this or how you've done that. But if I made a mistake, maybe I promote a product that is a shitty product, I will do recall. And as a matter of fact, I've done. So there's been few mistakes that I've made in the last 2 years. There's a few products that I reviewed that I'm no longer a fan myself of. And it's all right. It's all right to make a mistake. It's all right to install maybe bad roof. Like as a roofing company, I'll go in and install a job, and maybe my installers didn't follow instructions, or did a mistake or break something. My job as a contractor is to admit what I've done wrong. The reason I'm going on this rant right now is I want to publicly admit that Roofing Insights have made mistakes. Now, in the past, when I reviewed the products, maybe my methods, my ways of comparing stuff wasn't scientific for some people. You know what? It's all right. My job was not to make it popular. My job was to measure the shingles. Anything I could measure, I wanted to measure. I wanted to compare A to B, like A, B, C's, and D's of shingle world right next to each other by weight, by granular loss, and I think we did an amazing job, and roofing community agreed. I mean, I have manufacturers who didn't perform really well came to me and said, Dmitry, thank you for your feedback. As a matter of fact, even manufacturers who didn't score number 1 or number 2 or number 3, number 4, even those manufacturers were coming to us with a respect and with a really nice feedback how we help them to be accountable for those products. Now, what about GAF? When we always wanted to review them. This year we wanted to review them. There's nothing that me, Dmitry Lipinski, or Roofing Insights can do to force biggest brand in the industry to participate comparing their product right next to their competitors. Can we blame them? Probably not. I mean, I don't have billion-dollar company to make that decision. I'm a small YouTube channel. Can I compare myself to GAF? Absolutely not. They have a business to run. I respect them for that. But we become corporations ourselves at the Roofing Insights. This is business too, and we're in business reviewing shingles. We are in business of being public medium company, and I think we're doing a pretty good job. Now, if GAF comes back to me and say, Dmitry, we actually want to let you review our products. I promise you this, I have no intention to make GAF look bad. My job is simply to measure everything we can measure. Measure the granule loss, measure the weight. It's as simple as that. You have to know your product the moment it leaves your factory plants. The thing is, what we do here, we document. Yes, we're gonna make some comments because we're YouTubers. That's what I do. I'm a YouTuber first, I'm an entertainer, but I'm also a roofer. I own a roofing business. I have a lot of roofing friends who respect what I do and want to be part of it. And it's not by no means just my opinion. Before I do any test or any video now, I do pretty extensive search. I do polls. I ask people all the time. And then I read comments as well. So people say bad things about some brands. Sometimes it's too much hate and I have to delete it. But there's just so many questions was coming from GAF that I feel like this video was absolutely must to make because to be honest with you, I was simply tired of keep replying to all the people. So in the next year, in our next video, we would love to include GAF. GAF, if you guys are watching this video, I'm here to make a statement that I'm friendly. I'm as friendly as I ever could be to your brand, to your company. I'm not here to disparage your company. I do want to review your products because that's what my business is. When time will come, I will definitely do that and go through all the tests, and I would measure everything, and I would just simply report to my audience how do they compare to other brands. One more time, I wanted to invite GAF to our channel. If you guys want me to review a product, I will be willing to review in front of your representatives. You can bring me bundles, we can do it together. And I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, and I think the industry would appreciate it. Your transparency, my willingness to work with you, and hope you are willing to work with me as well. This is all I have for you guys for today. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about the whole story? Maybe you're the person who were asking those questions. Were I clear? What do you think? If you want us to review GAF brand, please comment below. Maybe reach out to your local rep. And if you're anyone from GAF watching this video, I would like to have deeper conversation with you about your company, your brand. I want to work with you. Thank you guys so much for coming. Let me know what you think in comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Roofing Rundown. We will be reviewing GAF shingles for sure after September 2022, maybe sooner. Please let us know what you think about GAF shingles in comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel not to miss video in a couple years down the road. Thank you so much for coming.